I wanna. There's another vehicle here. Damn. Alright, that's enough. That's all. That's it, Gio.
We're in Las Vegas for yet another car show. This time we're going to be checking out Elite Tuner that's going down tonight. It's going to be over at the Sheraton?
Silverton.
It's going to be over at the Silverton. I don't know much about this show. I don't know how many people are going to be there or how many cars, but it is outside and it starts at 5 o'clock. So it's a little bit of a different vibe than some of the other shows that we've been at before. I'm going to go check it out and see what they got. But before I do, I'm going to go have some breakfast and check out the buffet at the Wynn, which is where we're at right now. And then we're going to head on over there. So stick around. Woo. Wow, look at the color on that one.
What you got here, man? What you got here? You know that, right? What's going on, man? I'm MC Slick. White people call me Big Slick. I don't know why. Gio. All right. Let's talk about your car. I'm gonna get the mic. Give me a second. You got your engine work? Shave bay? No? They ain't touched the bay yet? What color is the engine bay? Oh, yo, pop that, dog. It's okay. It's alright. That's good. Alright, Gino. I'm gonna need the mic over here, right? And I just, since you don't want to be too much out there, and you're like microphone shy, it's alright. I'll talk, you answer. That works? What year is this vehicle?
2004 Volkswagen GLI.
Volkswagen GLI. You know, I like Euro cars, but when I started doing this today, I gave Voodoo Rides the first pick, and he was like a Volkswagen. Yo, approved? You approve? Tell me about your ride, man.
So, originally it's a left-hand drive, I converted it to a right-hand drive.
Okay.
I bought the clip from UK and imported it over here, and I did all the work in my house myself.
So you did everything yourself?
Conversion-wise, yeah. Body-wise, have a partial sponsor in Texas.
Okay.
Yeah, so he did all the white body, paint, and everything.
Do you live in Texas? Do you live out here?
I live in Los Angeles.
Oh, okay. This is real sick. Jetta 4-door, left-hand drive, converted right-hand drive, full wide body, not fender flares. All right. Listen. If y'all got fender flares, don't take anything I say to heart. But yo, fender flares don't mean it's a wide body. Y'all remember that, all right? For real. Full air ride suspension? Is that full cage?
No, just half.
Just half?
Yeah.
Is it a full bolt-in or did you have it welded in? Like
bolt-on, roll cage.
Okay.
Auto power.
What's your wheel specs?
They're 10 in the front, 11 in the back.
17s, 18s, 19s? 18s. Oof. I like how you did the exhaust out this. Very clean. This, you know what I like about the Volkswagens? Volkswagens are like the new SRT4 killers. Okay? What I mean by that, it's like the two-step champs. Okay? Are you gonna get in a two-step later? You have two-step on this thing, right? Yeah, you do. He's like, yeah. I was hitting it over in the back of the corner. All right. Geo MK4. Check out his Instagram. I'm sure he has a build thread. You have a build thread on your Instagram? Yeah? Hey, non-stop tuning. Where you at, man? Yo, you really have two-step on this thing? I really want to hear it, though. Can I just get like a little sample? Just a sample. See, if I give you permission, it's good. Let me get a little sample. Oh, that's enough. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right, you good. What? Somebody from Non-Stop Tuning to stop over here at the booth. I wanna. There's another vehicle here. Alright, that's enough. That's all. That's it, Gio.
Oh, sun's going down in Las Vegas. When the sun goes down, the hookers come out.
I was just thinking that.
I'm sure you were. This is an Edsel. Oh my goodness. An Edsel. This is automotive history right here. I'm just gonna blow it out. I should get some footage of it.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever, to believe you.
Check out his interior. I love that. How cool is that? Oh yeah, and so look at he continues the theme up here. Yeah, I got a couple of pictures of that. That's pretty cool. Is this yours? That's a cool build. I like it. I like your hat too.
We're almost there, you know?
It's been a rough season.
With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears.
Stop revving your engines! Stop revving your engine! My man, if you rev your engine one more time, you gotta leave. That's what I thought.
Having a hard time getting footage. Show was sick. A lot of cool cars. My personal favorite, without a doubt, was that little Toyota pickup, man. That thing was clean and really well done. Anyway, we're gonna get out of here, check out the strip, and after that, head on home. So I'll see you guys back in Reno.